Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to share your location on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Open the chat or group you want to send the location to. Step 3. Tap the paperclip icon in the bottom right of your screen. Step 4. From the menu that opens, select Location. Step 5. Choose either Share Live Location or Send Your Current Location, depending on your preference. Step 6. If you select Share Live Location, you can choose the duration of your location sharing. Select your preferred time duration, add a comment if you want, and tap the arrow icon in the bottom right corner to share your live location. By following these simple steps, you can easily share your location on WhatsApp. Whether you want to share your current location or share your live location for a specific duration, WhatsApp provides you with the flexibility to do so. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.